In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can give Instagram photo access. So this will be an Android tutorial, but it is a similar process on an iPhone. If you want an iPhone tutorial, just drop a comment down below and I'll get that created. So what you need to do on an Android phone is first of all hit the settings app icon on your home screen or wherever it is located. Once you're on the home page, you just want to scroll down until you find the option of apps. So here it is right over here. I'm going to tap on apps and then you just want to scroll down until you find Instagram. This is going to be in alphabetical order. So I'm just going to find Instagram real quick and here it is right over there. So I'm going to tap on that, and then the next option that you want to tap on from the app settings page here is the permissions option. From here you can allow access to different things on Instagram, like the camera and the files in the media. For the photos, so to give access to your photos, you will need to grant access to files and media. So tap on the second option there, and then you can select allow access to media only, and then you should be good to go. If you go back, you can also give access to your camera. That is also important on Instagram, and your microphone. You'll also need that if you're creating Instagram stories and things like that. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like on this video and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.